mo be man ka tamalati you know even tamala fa be man ka harje mati yalan isa refi ka tamala no fa yeta yetama when alamen ke harje mati bol ni tada bagwe la ko me kam difficulty lelso is risky you know because ngaje ko mo jama fata je men yalan kom xam nga ibama wole da mal sota jang wole fama wol you know and ndefa nga personally I'm a victim you know because I lost a brother you know rest in peace you know yalla nani mol men yalan ko be banta silo ni na xam nga ba falali ko rest in
Valentin yang nim VM International, yeah. Na lafta kuma kendol fedelai, ali VM jibe kana fomo koma.
Modele fata je men yale dogo foman din sota jang. Grimbere ni ser bro, ko lata nyokam, Valentin sign bro, ngom kata rabarabanda, ndata rabarabanda sign bro. Na royo ndokundi, ngo na royo njo, ngo na ro ka fanyele ko sarak marak. Ako nyele sarak marak mfanangai son marak ay halambulo kono atambita mfanantambita mbenda jila wala drong bro mota ba fela loda o mota ba fela ndeng aloda sai yen juruma nyokan yen sapi nyokan ya parra bata bro nko yo murmo kan dula fong be kandiring na ba ko do felenting fong sai o banda mo do kono di ka fa me ko bangali felenting abanda sai e ko nga fay banda nko bole ko boy al ngalo fong boy nga bangali wade bol ko nyoko no bro wato tege sai felenting fong be desa to kono no mo rasu mo teta benda jira o fong la bro mo do fong fantan kanta sai fong malam be mo lekala boy there's no call there's no vibe or no whatsapp malam be me roll call la nyame fong ganyi situation no explain because na pa ko hena fongo atabulo kanta na pa ko do fana hena dari jana o fongo banta bro sai nda fong confused the sai malam be mo lekala felenting desa ro ko the sai bro almost for 4 days manji soto mando mor soto malam be mo lekala bari felenting sai tamanta bro ndada fo badala mbrana bada do la bro ko labe smari yok boy ndada la ngaldala dok kabri ngalla dok boy zibo na danyo hok zibo felenting afiti danya nyang nyeba diamu tanye nyoko bro ke ko mune ye de sidang fete mala ndebe mo do mala son ngasta di nyanda nimbe do do mala bro ko ngasta di molla mbarata wal nyala frit bro na be keje mbogoro la ngamol defanga be bulo kan kulun kono mfurate ma fango bro ngulate feje ni wol be tama kan kulun kono boy mbebe kontan nim fango na pa ko do be je fango bro e ka fa me Mamadou Salou felenting sai fango bro at computer dabra computer kulun kono bol kamu bualdi sai Mamadou Salou felenting fango ay muro jika dabra muro jika akaba mol jamla bar kulun kono sai felenting fango nda mal walida mol be no sabala be jamla bole mo mande danku bari mbeje bo nyama boy kulun felenting ka yele mata bar solo kili bro la ke dule benna bari joyem busnan jogam busnan bat bata kuno le bendu ngal ka fo nye welcome back bro bat bata kuno en jiba ko nye ko je bro ke
another hitting song yeminke that is back way a balapala warta neajibe be funding ke jamal tara tamola and most of them went through the back way and of course dol succeeded but dol fanang went through a lot of obstacles trials and so after we talk about we give hope to some of these people as well male be minnesota be min follow youth so le milalon ko currently ibe Italy ibe Germany and they went through the back way
bagwe song as alia ngapwe nyame comme tol we the voice of the voiceless anything me alon come society konole come we need to come out and talk to people te come bagwe song whereby I think I need to play my part pour ka diamu comme youth sole yes out na nice na why ebe dawda for sa make no even Gambia jani beje sa make no hamga men gana wosta walem comme imantara fenke kan ham why come dunia ebe dawda I walk you live understand so come I came with this idea pour American embassy la nata na site because song nyim fo nata wala nyam so they come to me American embassy itole contract go nyindina come about this bagwe song so Gabriel command after tata je and fonya come ilaftanga menke come about this bagwe song then we have an agreement, we have a deal then tol fanantara come we do research about bagwe because nga mo lonne menale tara bagwe lale and nka research kele comme news you know ni mo fananka diamo la menana comme itata la turu ni silo hamga so that's how I build my lyrics you know and comme legola ka dol jahali camera fonda fonda ra bagwe silo ni nalen all that hamga ko no manta bagwe but you research things from people and that's how songs ngabil nyameng you know but ne lyrics so fanan kono jibe mba explain ke ne comme bol ni tara bagwe la comme comme difficulty lel soto comme true silo ni kan hamga is risky you know because nga jele comme mo jama fata je men yalon comme hamga iba ma wole da mal music ni nata wala nyama I was trying to talk to my people as
so what including Tonya Balafawara and from personal I think that it are through the bag way you know that's what I was thinking but aflenti yo senende molla fanal ko manta you did a research but through the music yeminje and inara kamem for jam come like you lost some of the people that you truly love why minute free I minute free it
yeah come as comme moranding as any Gambian me alan comme ala motata silo la le abante ja feel nyamin the same way nga feel wala nyama yalan you know so that's how things are you know yalan adimintala do you know so c'est même fono bolé kan comme message c'est même fono bolé wala comme anyway I be diamond boy yeah try even Gambia je be diamond young boy yeah try but we could talk to government also and in come more many alan come individual people or many alan come they sembo sotole I think they need to create like job opportunities come pour bolé bolé job gana soto hamga ni boy ni sate diata boy ita try la pour ka finti dura do you know so I think on bol fanan come your opportunity need la you know because sate funding kellam sate la backbone te funding kelda tara sate kono omu sate la nyato talti you know yalla ni funding kel be boro sate kono den akamta comme sate ba foka ngala backbone la ina because funding kellam backbone wala ko kuloti you know yalla na so they are very strong you know yalla so ngamera comme government you know inyanta ka bol fanan consider bakale you know they need to bring more job opportunities bol nyanda ka meto ni la you know yalla na comme ku nek da nga wara am skills bo amantene bo yanko def
so ebe mem fokan jang niaje boy sol bitakan through the back way wala ko masilote niaje bo fokan is it because man sakunda o job opportunity le man create pruning kambo ko do ko ke jang min sat na ye fon na fa yela dimbal na fa yela mul na fa wala fokam ba
yes ko nyanta kata wala nyama you know but ita fono la fanan kom do kuta jang you know bari sa fono la fanan do kuta jang you know
okay wo fulol ning nafte wol bon nyanyo
because
ko do ko bi janani ko do kuta jang
yes because ka jibe la comme maybe ni ajibe comme every year comme mo jela ka ji school like comme mo jela ka graduate from grade 12 man if understand so men be ka graduate ya jibe ko men ya letol be graduate comme mo jele be do ko la comme mo jele employee you know it's very comme ado ya batale you know so wayati na comme xam nga rek lego leg bo dol ni inata boy wayati na comme dol jama kala fi katama because maybe beje man job soro you know ye modoje outside me alan comme matata le recently after ku jama ke xam nga you know o ka md ta mari fana na la tu pour ye finti you know ye la family ka kairo kono xam nga so some point ita bol fana blame la for going you know yana because comme lolu mo fa ses xam nga you know comme maybe be home yaje comme itelem family la breadwinner boy and this is the only thing come yaja come hanga family is a life king no nyame hanga so they go through bad way
okay
I think ale de ma dol ya make dol banda silo kan
and even in Europe it could more among ko like more be ko do ko so in fact Europe is even more difficult according to military because ntaman taje follow but it's possible in taje fana I will explore and get to know more but ko Europe is a home damia lon ko among easy and then there are a lot of youths milialon ko ikela sidol la kan dol bige from wol man settle dol tata you know wol nana man kaito soto and then you know dol ba nying do kol min ka kanje do kol nying they are also very nastic it am like e ko do ko façon min like kam kol tang it am ning kam menol fana yo ideal soto pour kol ke ila bankol kanja baran ka fulol je jana for example nkambalenol je jande be pususol borndila garasol to ni ko gamben dingmoy ko fondinke ko wuli yeta e pususo borandi abamrelo ko ibanen kanne. But these are the things you can in Europe pour you survive. You understand? So nafta yo learning put across coming one message ning why do you think boys will mang job create no ifongol ye young youth soul mang job create no ifongol instead of waiting the government to give them the job? And
it's not like they're waiting for government to make a move. Yeah, bol bida men bida kan job la and come imang government baru purai na. Yeah, so bagwe bol men tada bagwe. Some of them they trying a lot. You understand? Kingis jama keta jang right now come bol men tada bagwe wale kingis ke. You know, jama babi je ba try kan pour que la family feed. Week month in month out. So mo jama beje come hamga they doing good. Mana fega feel comme one thing na be dunia, you know, mo be man ka tamalati, you know. Even tamala fanga be man ka harje mati yalan. Isa fega tamala no fanga yeta tama when ala men ke harje mati. You know, so mo ala la kulti hamga ala ma mol be kanyang yalan. So men important dal comme isa même fono bole wala comme hadama du be daw darandin like do ko ke because do ko le say bondi, you know. So you
doesn't matter among do ko sifa o sifa.
Do ko sifa not rete sa ke no le, you know, because
but say manan funding kel jang e bokal ko pususo borandi e bokal ko kam like men kan kamol sabatenting, you know, we feel come like, you know, wol mun deti job lati, you know, in our country here mun kam wol je melalan ko ike sisol warandi and funding kel dom and then in yom funding kel men tara tamat lay bo like kan and they are succeeding. So why in this country? Well, ita la zero do bene wasabu. Ita amene menan funding kel mandra do ko fonke kan ila banko kan coming do ko be siarna, but instead of
funding kel ba do ko la janne funding kel ba do ko la maybe mobi mantara do ko la, you know, men mantara do ko la wala gana siata dan men be do ko la yalla ne te o man ke comme ça en kuti, you know,
nafa ke moy la
men be do ko la ni a compare every year mo jela ka ji school men ka graduate from school men bi ta kan job la ani men mantara ta kan job la men mantara ta kan job la
international tv jaling ali konton he alla lodu la le ni
like
every year men din school o limol graduate men ka job soto ani men bu ka job soto men buka job soto wala gana kasia dan men be job la. I think we need more employment. We need employment comme momo randi nyande ka skills boy fanga janga dara ye fen karang, you know, whereby comme ham ga be survive la damen ham ga ni mu musolti boy say continue de dano le boy ham ga create lu garaw, you know what I'm saying, comme suma gaay fini ham ga ñu ngi def lu nice, you know, ibotan manama defalal gaay advance nak ni me lafta bo bëgge defaru be correct nak xam nga da nga wara active di, you know, wa fi moy place bi, you know. So I think ku nek da nga wara mëna am skills, you know, ya ham ira welda man nga wala kapinta nga o whatsoever ham nga wa come do something pour nga survive.
Am I brita jita school ite musical ta as a career and then iba succeed.
And I was a technician as well, you know.
Different from music.
Yes, different from music. I'm a technician. You know, at the same time I'm a farmer. So moy lolu, you know what I'm saying.
Bro ke say nga muru nang kotanki another section auto ameta mol me moy dengil kutol ka jele every year atisul ka dengil fula sabab bondi mene beta mutakan koma.
Time I was going through a lot, you know. Time I was going through a lot, you know. La wom ku jamal ji
mo jella faate je men yale ba ma be digri da mal jang mo jella faate je men yale ba ma be digri da mal jang mo jella faate je men yale dodo fo man din so da jang ni le song yang xamendi ni na pa ko men nga rock birata da forena men fulo dundi ya ku ren bumbal do da mo so bal nada musubal nada ngana main fo na chain sign pour ko da foren dat ambassi felen ti ngay reject akate men di tek ni ndata da je besira na tek akate men di tek ni ndata da je dinala bu reuy bar juwiye years later nasida do moy ka fay back way nan na fudo le tika na pa ko fone ara ba ko tika ndela tamata bro ndata le fomali kabidum frata mali rebelol felenti ngol yamuta na demandi membe bro nko he wol yota ni na pa ko membe silo kam fango e ka fami ye boy woy paso jonye ay paso jonye le sayem ko Niger kabidum frata Niger bro tilobe kandiring mobe siaring domorol be sering chopol fangol be sering ibebe kuyaring.
So we are in a come hamgal mul famata come way for a while, you know, but come recently alhamdulillah we are back again with full effect, and recently a song or dol lyrics with couple of videos, and for come the project all at this point of time hamga we working on the album situation also. But fans will echo is coming up.
So saying 2021 saying can I do 2022 kono before end of this 2021 kata 2022 you think you're gonna release a song?
Obviously we're working on the video, and video ni minalata made back and alan jani ba for the next 2 weeks inshallah. Video ni be parela, so
next 2 weeks
because
so video ni ala title minati
song ni na title wala situation no lungal jura
wala ñu yemin la
lungal jura no, it's a different song that the song is part of the album adabara situation on album ñu kono lay no what song ñu to mu lungal jura
bali fe kanole la VM so bali fe udalole la VM so alnana njani mbisala wala kano fangole dun tanna nyi enju so tumbu VM so bali fe kanole la muna VM mbe fe udalole la apachaki ala follow de wobite on ndingo nyin VM so wato tijede ala bul kondi ngodi kijal ka follow wo wuleri ndingo nyin al wodi kidal ka follow de VM so nyancho bije DJs bije VM bije dimbar
VM International TV Jaling Ali Kontonhe Allah Lodu Lale
Subscribe, like, and share. Because more educative things are coming your way.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.